World IP Day always offers a chance to reflect on the role of intellectual property rights in society and the economy, and this year SMEs are taking center stage. The Patent Office of the Republic of Poland ran a thought-provoking event to mark the occasion, co-organized by the Warsaw Stock Exchange. The themes included innovation as a tool for overcoming the economic crisis caused by the pandemic and how innovation can be financed. In my video address to the event, I stressed the continuing importance that companies are putting on IP rights and the need to ensure that our SMEs do not get left behind. At the beginning of this month, the EUIPO passed the milestone of 25 years since the first EU trademark was granted. I reported on the remarkable resilience of this important IP right, as well as on the ongoing technological and socio-economic challenges that need to be attended to, even when COVID-19, for obvious reasons, continues to dominate discussions. The fact that Chinese businesses are now the #1 filer for both EU trademarks and designs is clearly one of the stories of this crisis. But this trend predates COVID-19 and is a symptom of the key role that IP rights play in international trade. In the year to date, we can see that demand for EU trademarks for all of the top 10 filing countries, apart from the United Kingdom, is now also up substantially. Overall, we have received 25% more EU trademark applications compared to the same period in 2020. However, we know that EU SMEs continue to be underrepresented among IP rights owners, even though small companies that register rights pay higher wages and have better prospects of growth. Initiatives such as the IDs Powered for Business corner of the EUIPO website are seeking to address this by providing better information and access to pro bono advice and effective dispute resolution for EU SMEs. The target of 500 pro bono providers in this trial phase has been reached and are now looking at how to roll this out more widely. In parallel, the 20 million IDs Powered for Business SME fund supported from the offices reserved is being delivered by the Member States' IP offices in the European Union Intellectual Property Network via the European Commission's COSME scheme for competitiveness. In the first 3 months of this year, since the fund opened, more than 3,300 SMEs have requested help, covering around 8,000 services, including a professional IP audit and financial help to register trademarks or designs. For the majority of the businesses, this is their first step towards having a registered right, showing clearly that this outreach to new actors is working. We are already seeing a big increase in uptake since the option for SMEs to apply via their IP representatives included, and we expect this to continue when the next window for applications opens in May. World IP Day helps to shine a light on these initiatives and underline the message that IP rights open a world of opportunity for all businesses, including SMEs.